All the rumors I see from my hardcore. We be burning them money like charcoal. We gon' flood your whole city like a narco. Let them kill your way up.
Greetings. Peace and love, family. It's your favorite traveling entrepreneur, Mr. Jones Jr., and I'm back with another video on wellness. Now, you can join the Chef Jones Jr. Detox Plan. It will be launched in 2023. It is available. It is for people who wants to jumpstart a healthy journey. It is a 7, 14, or 30-day detox plan, but you can repeat it for a lifestyle until you become adapted to this lifestyle. If you would like to join the Chef Jones Jr. Detox Plan, just click the link in my bio. Now, one thing that I do want to talk about, the do's and the don'ts when it comes to the Chef Jones Jr. Detox Plan. Now, when it comes to the do's and the don'ts, you have to understand there is a process. There is a routine you follow. When it comes to the ingredients, when it comes to what you're eating, what you're consuming, make sure you're mindful of that. Number 1, key limes. Make sure while you're on this detox plan, everything you're putting in your body is alkaline, okay? We don't want to reverse anything. We want to keep the body flowing. We want to keep the body clean, stimulated, and alkaline. Key limes, not limes, key limes. Number 2, apples. Guava apples. The right apple. So it's all about the do's and the don'ts, what you know and what you don't know. So the Chef Jones Jr. Detox Plan is really a guide to show you exactly what you should be putting in your body. So when it comes to your ingredients and everything you need, make sure you are eating the right fruits, the right vegetables, and the right grains, okay? The Chef Jones Jr. Detox Plan is going to guide you on what you should be eating, how you should be eating it, the time matter you should be eating it, and keeping you consistent. The first thing I do in the morning when I wake up is I ground myself. I stretch myself. So I'll do a little meditation. I'll do a little yoga. I'll go outside barefooted, ground myself, manifest, affirmations, and then I drink me some tea. So I start my day off with self-love, affirmations, mindset, and tea. And 2 cups of spring water. Spring water or no reverse osmosis, no bottled water. We want spring water that's fresh out of the mountains. You want to make sure that your water is the correct pH balance that goes into your body. Water is the most important thing because water is hydrating. So the 2 main ingredients, the 2 main things that fuel our body, is spring water sourced from the mountains and alkaline water. Alkaline water, spring water, living water. You don't drink reverse osmosis. You don't drink purified water. You don't drink tap water. No, that's not water. H3O2, that's another form of water that you should be drinking. H3O2 comes strictly from plants. If you're a person that drinks dairy, if you're a person that drinks reverse osmosis water or tap water, if you're a person that eats hybrid fruit, I'm gonna give you a lesson today. This is the natural swap when you're on the Jones Jr. Detox Plan. All right, let's talk about the 2 alternate switches that you should be doing when it refers to the Chef Jones Jr. Detox Plan. When you're on the Chef Jones Jr. Detox Plan, these are the 2 most important ingredients in your diet: milk and H3O2. We make our own milk from scratch with hemp milk, or we use coconut milk, all right? Organic coconut water. Make sure that it's organic. Make sure it's not from concentrate. Make sure. All you got to do is turn it around and read. All you got to do is turn it around, guys, and read. And once you turn it around, you will see that it's only organic coconut water in here. It's no added sugars, guys. No added sugars at all. And that's what we want. We do not want added sugars. We don't want them adding chemicals into our body. Little in depth and a little into detail when you start the Chef Jones Jr. Detox Plan. All right. Gallons of water, lots of fruits and vegetables, lots of salads, and that's arugula and spring mix and romaine. No icebergs. We don't do iceberg lettuce. Real salad eaters, we know we don't do iceberg lettuce. You want to eat clean. You want to be working out. You want to be stretching. You want to be manifesting. You want to have a great mindset. You want to have a great mindset. You want to have a great mindset when you're on this diet. For the 7 days, you want to fast. You want to drink water. You want to flush toxins out your body. For the first 7 days, that's what you're going to be doing. For the next 7 days, you want to be eating clean salads, smoothies, juices, okay? Clean salads, smoothies, and juices. I will give you guys the guide. I have the guide written down, but you gotta want it. You gotta want better for yourself. I can't just force you on this diet. You gotta want it for yourself. You gotta want this change because I have it for you. I have a guide for you. It is a lifestyle change for you. I used to weigh 300 and something pounds. I used to be 44 in my waist. I used to wear 4X t-shirts. 5 years of consistent, 5 years of consistent, no beef, no pork, no soy, no dairy. Consistency is key. You got this. I'm your favorite entrepreneur, your favorite traveling entrepreneur, your favorite traveling chef, Mr. Jones Jr. If you would like to join my detox plan, you can click the link in the bio and I can send it to you right now. You can book a wellness consultations and I can create your own meal plans for you. I have wellness consultations. I have culinary consultations. All you guys have to do is click the link in the bio or follow me on my Instagram page.